Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. Today we're going to take a very quick look at Orbital Energy Group, ticker symbol OEG. Before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into it. Orbital Energy Group, Inc. engages in the design, installation, and commissioning of industrial gas sampling, measurement, and delivery systems for energy, power, and processing markets in the United States and the United Kingdom. It also provides engineering, construction, maintenance, and emergency response solutions to the power, utilities, and midstream markets, and engineering, procurement, and construction services in the renewable energy industry. The company, formerly known as CUI Global, Inc., was founded in 1998 and is based in Houston, Texas. Orbital Energy Group last issued its quarterly earnings data on November 15, 2020. The reported 19 cents EPS for the quarter, missing analysts' consensus estimates of 14 cents by 5 cents. The business had revenue of $13.62 million for the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $28.70 million. Orbital Energy Group has generated 47 cents earnings per share over the last year. Orbital Energy Group has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Monday, March 29, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Institutional ownership percentage is 33.16%. Insider buying, last 12 months, was $94,830. Shares of Orbital Energy Group, Inc. OEG, shot up 33.3% during midday trading on Thursday. The stock traded as high as $2.90 and last traded at $2.88. 13,681,190 shares were traded during trading, an increase of 64% from the average session volume of 8,317,548 shares. The stock had previously closed at $2.16. The firm has a 50-day moving average of $1.63 and a 200-day moving average of $1.10. The stock has a market capitalization of $88.35 million, a price-to-earnings ratio of -4.63 and a beta of 1.30. The company has a quick ratio of 0.90, a current ratio of 0.93 and a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.30. The two analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Orbital Energy Group have a median target of 2.25, with a high estimate of 2.50 and a low estimate of 2.00. The median estimate represents a 5.63% increase from the last price of 2.13. Renewable growth may accelerate in 2021 as the new administration starts to execute on a platform that includes rejoining the Paris Climate Accord, investing $2 trillion in clean energy, and fully decarbonizing the power sector by 2035 in order to achieve a larger goal of net zero carbon emissions by 2050. A new administration is expected to wield its executive authority to facilitate the deployment of renewables. This may include powers over emissions, public lands, procurement, foreign relations, trade, and agency appointments. For an industry that has focused heavily on solar and wind, supportive federal actions could help progress timelines for further expansion into new technologies, including advanced batteries and other forms of storage, offshore wind, and green hydrogen technology. As these new technologies, especially green hydrogen production and storage, move toward commercialization, we may see more power-to-X projects to store, convert, and reconvert surplus solar and wind power into carbon-neutral fuels and chemicals. The potential for increasing renewable energy demand, as well as the electrification of the transportation and industrial sectors and oil and gas companies' plans to increase participation in the electricity value chain, are accelerating energy industry. If you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord for buy and sell updates. You can find the link in the description, as well as a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.